Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. This is my art channel, so thank you for joining me today as we create art. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 16-inch round canvas, a stretch canvas, and my base coat is going to be titanium white. And right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting down my base coat. I'm using a dryer, a blow dryer, to blow the paint across the canvas till I get a nice thin coat on the canvas. Once I get a nice thin coat of paint on the canvas, and you could use any color as your base, black, orange, but today I'm going to be using white. You're going to lay down your colors. And today my colors are going to be a Windsor blue with a little bit of black, a dioxazine purple, a neon pink, and an iridescent gold, which I mixed a little bit of nickel azo yellow in it. I'm popping the bubbles in my base coat because I just recently mixed the paint, so there's a lot of air in there. So I had to pop the bubbles before I even start. So like I said, I'm laying down my first color. And I believe that color is the Windsor blue with the black in it. So when you're doing a Dutch pour, you should start off not with a lot of colors until you get used to it. And you also don't want to start with too much paint on the canvas. And that's the ultramarine blue. I don't think I said that. This is my neon pink. And all your paints don't have to be the same brand. They could be a mix. Here's the dioxazine purple. And it's better if you do have a mix, because then if you have a mix, you may have a reaction, which will create cells. And this is my iridescent gold mixed with a little bit of nickel azo yellow. I'm going to add a little bit of base coat around the colors. Which is titanium white. Then I'm going to blow that titanium white, the base coat, into the colors or over the colors. Got to turn the dryer on first. Then I have to blow out the colors to my desired design. And then I'll start detailing it by blowing out even further with a straw, a mini blower in some cases, or you can just use your mouth, or whatever you want. Some people use an air gun sometimes. Now that mini blower I got from Amazon, and the attachment I got from Etsy. So if you have any questions about Dutch pours, please put them in the comments below. and I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. My mix is usually 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then I thin with water. Hope you enjoy this video. Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.